Hello, can you all hear me, please? Hello, hello, hello. Can
Hello,
you?
good afternoon, Mike. We are hearing you very well. Good
Okay,
afternoon, sir.
I just wanted to confirm. Okay, so let's go get started. This week is 25th of November, 2024, and it's very, very obvious that the year is running to an end. So, and also the month is also running to an end as we are going to experience another NFP. I think next, okay, yeah, Upper Week Friday. That's the first NFP for the year and last NFP for the year also, right? Okay, so this afternoon, let's quickly look at what we have. We don't literally have an high impact news. We really have a middle impact news on Euro, and also, throughout this week, tomorrow, 4 p.m., we are having CB consumer confidence. Also by Wednesday, um, 27th of November, I'm going to have a lot of high impact news on dollars, US dollar, on New Zealand dollar, on um New Zealand dollar as well. And Thursday, we are having 9:55 a.m. We are having another news, high impact news on Australian dollar. And Friday, we are having on pounds, Canadian dollar, and Chinese yuan. But for today, we don't really have any high impact news, and we just go down into the market. And don't forget, Donald Trump wins the election, won or wins the election, anyone. And the dollar has been showing some kind of strength and some kind of stability. And hopefully by January 2025, during the handing over and when the United States president takes over power, we should see much more stability and all that. So there are a whole lot of events that have been unfolding, and more especially in the crypto space. The crypto is very close to $100,000, which a lot of people have been pitching for. But I'll just advise you, PE Prime has a way. We have cryptocurrencies on our platform, about a couple of hundreds of cryptocurrencies pair that you can also trade, and all that. So don't just involve yourself in any crypto scheme that you don't understand. My name, oh, okay. Mr. Ifyok, my name is Michael. Okay, Michael, I'm the head of education and training and trading in PE Prime for Abuja here. Okay, so I mean, you should have seen my analysis, signals, and a couple of that on the YouTube channels and all that. So I think this is the first time of meeting me, I guess. Okay, so let's go down to what we have this afternoon. I know Mr. Rutin might have done some couple of analysis during the pre-London session. So let's look at what the dollar is doing. I mean, it was obvious the market woke up. I mean, I woke up to experience a very, very strong gap in the market, and I've been wondering what could cause the gap, right? What could have caused the gap that we are having also what could have caused the gap. But let's see how it happens. So for dollar indices, I'm going to take out all this indicator and all that. So for dollar indices, what do you expect for dollar, right? Now, what do we expect for dollar indices? So let's start with weekly time frame for dollar indices, and I'm going to go by a line chart, right? So my own okay, dollar has been on a bullish spree. We have been very, very bullish on US dollar. And currently what we're expecting, I'm expecting a proper retracement for dollar on a weekly time frame. Retracement hopefully to some of these highs and support become resistance area. So I would love to see dollar move down to any of this premium and discount zone. So these are areas that I love to see on a longer time frame, but it might not literally happen. But if I see some bearish pattern, like bearish engulfing candles, like rejections on this level, like it has happened here, right? So if I see like that's happened here, we got a rejections and market open with a gap, right? This is the gap. Now, if we talk about these rejections, did it break a previous low? Yes, it did. We had this low broken. So what I will just say, we had this low, right? This low broken. And 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, we are still looking at what will literally happen. So me, literally, I did not see any entry on dollar indices at the moment. I did not see any setup on dollar indices at the moment. I didn't notice any setup on dollar indices at the moment. So I do not see any dollar indices, any bearish, I mean, setup at the moment, though. So what I would just love to see, probably on the 15 minutes time frame, we have a break, we have a market moving to the top side, we have a break at this low, we have a low taking, nope. Okay, so what I would just love to say is there is no literally entrance for the market at the moment. So if there's going to be any entrance, it's going to be around here, and market has not shown any irregularities or anything that warrants us buying or selling. So I'm still going to be patient for dollar till I see a possible setup, right? A tangible setup or probably entry, because our entries here are mostly high probability setup. Okay, so that is what I would look out for for dollar. Let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. Weekly time frame. Okay. So for weekly time frame, we have something like this. I can reject this high, and hopefully, maybe we could see price get to 1.02613, right? Because means that we are still literally bearish, right? We are still literally bearish on Euro USD. And I've got a couple of support become resistance zones, a couple of highs and lows and all that. So this is one, right? That is a high. And we think this is usual, right? And we had a couple of this taken out, and we have this low taken out also because this is a Quasimodo. This is a reversal pattern for a buy. So we are still looking towards a retracement for GBP USD. I'm still looking towards a retracement, and hopefully I would love to say that we have this high. Okay, this major high. We have a double top here. Price came back to break the low, and hopefully once price gets to 1.05260, I'm going to go for a sell. But at the moment, there is no entry at the moment. So let's see what will happen. But then I'm still looking towards some bearish sentiment for dollar, right? I mean, for euro dollar, right? I'm still looking forward to bearish dollar because we have this resistance, this supply zone around here, right? So, and probably price can come down to fill up this gap and continue moving to the downside. So I think we could literally use a stop order. I'm hoping of seeing a stop order because when we look at this high took out this high, right? Market pushed to the upside, and there is no sense or signs of reversal at the moment. There's no signs of reversal. This is the apex. So there's no signs of reversal. We only need market to kind of, move up, hopefully take out this high. Then it comes down to break the low. Then we can now say, okay, then we can now say, let us sell, right? Because this will stand out as probably a sort of liquidity or probably market goes down to the apex. to sell. So the setup is not clear at the moment, so we still wait to see candle setup because we don't just enter trades anyhow. We only trade high probability setup with PO price. So USCHF, let's go. For USD CHF, we kind of have line chart, right? And market at this kind of strong resistance level. We can see here resistance zone, resistance. It is a key level zone for USD CHF, and we literally have kind of a sort of market rejections and a gap following it. So you can see the gap, this gap here following it, and market still rejects this level. So I'm looking, probably we could have buyers or probably a set of continuations for USD JPY because or probably market come down because if I'm to sell, I love to sell around here. I mean, I love to buy USDJPY around here, around this level, right? Because this is a low, I give back to this high, right? And we are having this. So it's not literally clear. And I would say that we just need a bunch of patience, right? We need a bunch of patience in this very market, as this is also a cross model, and we just need patience in this market. We need patience. So we are still going to wait. Okay, I think this is a QM. Yes, this is one. So my two popular setup for entry will be here, right? And here. So we are still going to be very, very patient to see what we happen for dollar indices for USD CHF. So let's go to GBP or gold. So let's go to gold. Okay, so for gold, yeah, for gold, we have a daily time frame protected high. So looking forward to a proper sell around here and around here, right? Because I mean, we literally have a high here that needs to be taken. So I'm bearish on gold. My bias on gold is clear to bears. Okay, this my bias on gold is clear bears. So I'm literally bearish on gold, owing to the fact that number one, this is a support on resistance level. We can see one, 2, and 3 here. We have price pick up this low. So hopefully we could have a retracement up to this level, or probably take out this high and tap into this level and drop. So my own bias is I'm bearish on gold. So gold, literally, I'm very, very bearish on gold. And we only have 2 entries. So probably the current buy might not be a very, very strong buy. So we have one here. This is a very strong zone. 1 hour time frame. Also, 1 hour time frame. Also looking at this level. Okay, so my best bet for sales of gold will be 2695.25. 2695.25. That will be my best bet for selling of gold, right? 2695.25. So hopefully we could have market pop into this level and crash to the downside. 2695.25 is my best bet for selling of gold. So maybe you should use the sell limit order. 100 pips is too much. So once price gets to 2695.25, I am going to sell gold. Okay, so let me mark it down. So once it's 2695.25 and I see a tangible rejection, I will sell gold. So would have a short buy to sell scenario on gold. Okay, so GBP USD, somebody said GBP JPY also. USD. Okay, so I have this, right? And daily time frame to look for equilibrium. So this is a gap engulfing pattern. That's why we have a pure sell. And at this level, we have a rejection here. So market rejected supply. Market rejected the supply zone. We have a break of market structure. So what we expect is probably a retracement before we could sell. So we expect a retracement before we could sell. GBP/JPY. So even on 4-hour time frame, if I see a tangible rejection here, I think I can sell, but it is too early to sell this. So I would rather wait for price to get to around 196.600 region before I sell GBP/JPY. Okay, we'll look at USD. So let's still hold on and see what the market has for us in place. Okay, so we don't have a break of structure. We only have a rejection because market literally took out this high. So this is the high, lower low, the major break. We only have market rejection level and drops, right? So this is a retracement. Okay, that is a retracement. Let's check line chart. Okay, so I'm bearish, very, very bearish on GBP/JPY. If this correct candle closes bearish, we could take a sell. Let's sell GBP/JPY. I'll take a short sell on GBP/JPY. Let's sell around here. Let's sell around here. And TP around here. Okay, 28 pips, 50 pips. So let's see. In GBP/JPY, sell with small lot size. At current market price. SL 194.476. TP1 193.900. TP2 193.550. Okay, so I think I've dropped the signal on GBP/JPY. I want to drop it on our phone client group also. So the last one we check out for is GBP USD. P1 is 193.900. TP2 193.550. Okay. Oh, okay. It's just a short sell though. It's just a short sell. I mean, it's not a must. You can choose to follow whichever one you want to. Okay, so you can choose to follow whichever signal you want to on that. Okay, so the last one for today is GBP USD. GBP USD. No, please don't. Don't cancel the old signal. You can edge both. Okay, you can edge both. You can hold it. You can hold it. The weekly time frame, we are here expecting price to get here. 1, 2, 3. So these are key level zones. Daily time frame, quite all right. And I'd love this high to be taken so we can know it's a total reversal. This high could be taken, right? Okay. Okay, so there's still more room for for GBP USD to drop. There's still more room for GBP USD to drop. So I would love to see them go down to 1.23643. So I'm bearish on GBP USD. I'm very, very bearish on GBP USD. I'm bearish on this. This is a replacement continuation pattern. So you take a sell, GP about 30 pips. Okay, so let's hold on and see, but I would love to say selling GBP USD is not going to be a bad idea. No, it's not going to be a bad idea if you want to sell GBP USD. But let's be patient to see what the market holds for us. And let me check 1 minute. Okay, so hopefully price gets to here before you see any reactions for GBP USD. Okay, so that is that for this afternoon analysis. If you have any questions, do you have any questions for us so we can answer? And please, market is not yet fully stable, so apply a proper risk management to whatever trades you are taking. Any question, please? Okay, in the absence of no questions, thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful trading day. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon. Oh.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon.
Like in the morning, I bought the GBP JPY and I'm still on the trade. I was asking if I should cancel it or not.
There's one thing I don't do, right? I don't advise you to cancel or place a trade and all that. I only gave a signal based on what I saw in the afternoon. Are you getting my point? So it's at your own discretion to either trade or ignore or cancel. Okay?
Okay. Okay, because I just took the sell of this afternoon
It's
signal.
up to you. If you want to cancel, it's fine. If you want to take a trade, it's still the same thing.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Enjoy the day. Thank you.